Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you've been here before, let me actually pan down a little, and if you're a seasoned subscriber, you may recall this building. This is the Louis Vuitton Place Vendôme boutique. Let me turn around. I'm currently on Place Vendôme. It's mid-January. Apparently the city wasn't able to take down the Christmas decorations yet, which is fine. And look at the sky. So fortunate in terms of the weather. But anyway, not here to talk about the weather. We're here to talk about Louis Vuitton. We're definitely still in the Murakami drop season, but realistically, they won't just have Murakami pieces. With it being a flagship boutique, chances are they'll have insane stock and beautiful Capucines and exotics if that's something you're interested in. But anyway, I'm not going to blabber on any longer. Let's go inside Louis Vuitton, and maybe I'm going to check out the Champs Élysées boutique maybe tomorrow.
Keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier.
Interestingly enough, at the time of me researching the prices for this video, I was only able to find this particular Capucines on the Indonesian website. Don't ask me why, but I was able to find out the prices on some Instagram page. This is so fun. I think I heard someone talk about them considering doing like a My Capucines situation, so you can kind of customize it. To be honest, I think the only thing that you can actually customize are the little like charms that would be like included in the chain, but at least like some level of customization. And obviously, with this being like a flagship boutique, there were tons of exotics. I think like a couple of years ago, I remember a time where basically there were no Capucines on the website, not even like regular leather Capucines. Now they kind of like reintegrated the Capucines with pricing on the website. You can't buy them on the website, but at least like you can research the prices. It doesn't apply to the exotics though. Did I mention I adore the Place Vendôme boutique? Look at this. Okay, don't mind my very puffy coat. It's like, yeah, it's pretty cold out, so I'm glad that I took this coat with me. But I'm like in the shoe and ready-to-wear section right now, and they have like a Murakami special situation going on.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all.
Just FYI, I did go on the 10th of January, so basically like a week-ish, pretty much like a week after the drop of the first drop of the Murakami collection, and they still had tons of stuff like on the shelves. That being said though, although that mainly applies to the Louis Vuitton Champs Élysées boutique, which I did go to, so stay tuned until the second half of the vlog essentially. Especially in that second boutique, they did have on quite a number of handbags actually, like a little sign that said for display only. Obviously, I have no way of telling if this was basically the only bag of that particular style and they weren't able to sell any, or if it was just like a display piece, but they had tons of stock in the bag. But yeah, just to let you know, I did see a couple of things on display, and some of them might have been display only because they had no stock left. But anyway, this video is not just about the Murakami collection. Chances are by the time that this video goes up, no one will be talking about it anymore because yeah, that's the way social media works.
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling.
Alright, so I'm currently, I think this is the 4th floor. It's like the top floor, and it's like the travel section, a little bit of interior, and even like tableware. Look at this. Beautiful. Anyway, so stumbled across this one. Would this be like TSA approved carry-on luggage toiletry safe? Anyway, look at this. I'm gonna try to, as always, I'm gonna try to research the prices of everything that I'm showing you if I'm able to find it online. But yeah, this is like the travel area. Look at this tiny little, like, is it like the Nice Nano? That should be like the regular knees, right? Like in the reverse monogram. And obviously they do have tons of these like travel books.
And it's so wrong, but still so strong. But I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders. And I like it like that. Even on broken watches, right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way. For lack of anything better for me to say. Hey, I like you like that. Yeah, I like you like that.
So I did mention that we're currently in the Murakami drop phase, and they do have like a vending machine. So I think if you purchase something from the Murakami collection, you get like a coin, and you can drop that in the vending machine, and you get like a goodie. I think the top thing would be like metal cards, something like that. But yeah, like stickers, all that good stuff. Kind of fun, but yeah, I already purchased something from the Murakami collection back home.
And it's so wrong, but still so strong. But I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders. And I like it like that. Even on broken watches, right 2 times a day.
Hi guys, so next day, and I made it to the Louis Vuitton Champs Élysées boutique. There's like somewhat of a line, so fingers crossed it won't be too long, because yeah, we kind of lost track of time with the like Dolce & Gabbana exhibition, and then we stumbled across a Miniso, which yeah, that thing is massive. It's basically behind me, also like on Champs Élysées. Yeah, okay. Line. We'll see. Maybe this video will be over in a couple of minutes, or I'll actually be able to make it inside with ample time. But yeah, also, obviously, very much Murakami heavy. Actually, I do have to go inside. I've never been. Anyway, so hopefully I'm going to catch you inside the Louis Vuitton Champs Élysées boutique in a matter of seconds, I guess, through the magic of editing. But yeah, also like temperature-wise, weather-wise, let me pan up. We're so lucky. It's like mid-Jan. Look at the sky.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Alright, I made it inside. The wait was super fast actually, but it's crazy busy. So I'm currently in kind of like a mezzanine area where they sell like books and stuff. This is so cute. I think I'm gonna purchase this. It's definitely not by Louis Vuitton. They also sell a couple of other books and stuff, like the little books of like Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Vivienne Westwood and stuff. So yeah, a mixed bag in terms of like books, but yeah, on the mezzanine level where they sell the books, it's a little quieter apart from the background music, which hopefully isn't too loud, so I can actually use this piece of footage and not like get copyright strike. But the shop level itself is crazy busy, so I don't know how much I'm actually gonna get filmed without showing me too many people behind me, but yeah, glad I went inside. I think upstairs is only high jewelry, like in that direction, and like the actual first floor should be like men's, so chances I won't go there. But yeah, glad I made it nonetheless.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got the system of favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
Alright, so I think this may have been my least expensive trip to Louis Vuitton. I just bought the book that I think I showed you, like the pop-up book. Obviously, it's not Louis Vuitton. It doesn't have like the Louis Vuitton markup on it, essentially. So I couldn't say no. And yeah, least expensive trip to Louis Vuitton. And they packaged it like as if I had purchased like a pair of shoes or a bag. Other than that, I think you saw, and I only filmed like a little bit. It was pretty crowded. Granted, today is Saturday, so... Am I even surprised? Definitely not, but I'm glad I went inside anyway. I guess that does it for my Louis Vuitton Paris vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was a little all over the place, but anyway, really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'm gonna catch you in one of my next videos. Bye.